Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure your device is unlocked and has enough battery to avoid interruptions. Once ready, open the Settings app and navigate directly to General or System depending on your OS. Next, tap Keyboard or Language and Input to reach the keyboard controls. You do this because Emoji keyboards are managed as input methods. Accessing this panel lets you disable, reset, or remove keyboards. Keep your phone nearby and follow the next steps to adjust the emoji settings safely. Now you'll clear the stored keyboard data and preferences so autocomplete and emoji suggestions reset. Select your active keyboard and open its specific settings. Some systems show Manage Keyboards or App Settings. Once there, choose Clear Cache or Clear Data, or tap Reset Keyboard Settings if available. This removes custom-learned phrases and corrupt caches that break emoji access. After clearing, make sure to re-enable the emoji keyboard from the available input list and grant any permissions. Finish by switching into a messaging app and opening the keyboard. Press the emoji or globe key to confirm emojis appear. If nothing shows, restart the device to complete the reset sequence and clear lingering processes. Once rebooted, test again. If the emoji keyboard remains missing or unstable, reinstall the keyboard app or check for an OS update because compatibility fixes often resolve emoji issues. One troubleshooting tip: if reinstalling fails, try a different keyboard temporarily to isolate whether it's app-specific or system level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.